Now let's go to the KNPL-700 device configuration. The defaulted user and password is admin. You can select the English version. The status, usable, and the model number. Network, accounts, unapplied. Normally it can be shows registered. And the settings, you need to select the fixed IP mode and the IP address of the phone. These are the sent through from the IPv6, and then save the server, the SNMP server IP address. You need to enable it, and the server port is defaulted, and you can make the zone name here for different station, the device name. And the phone auto answer, hook content, and ring style you can choose here. This is the defaulted setting, and you can adjust the mic input volume, speak output volume here. Hotline off. For the KNZD09A, you need to make it on and then set up the code to phone number here. And no condition forward. For these three numbers, you can select on or off. No answer forward, on or off. You can select here. And the codec settings, normally defaulted is this one. First, performance, preference, and save. And speed dial, you can set up the speed dial numbers for the KNPL-700 here. The name and the numbers. This is for the plus settings. Security is for the dry contact. For the KNPL-700, no need to set it. This is also no need for settings. You can set up the time for the device. Yeah, NTP enable. And the NTP server address and port should be sent from the admin page and the time zone, and then save. You can select the language here. SIP configuration, you need make it enable, then register switch on, others off. And the display name, these are the private page settings, the information. And SIP heartbeat. For the server, this is for the OCC server address and port domain. And the server 2 is for the BCC server address. Then dialing rules, maybe no need to set, just one dot, then save. CDR, address book, door phone function, no use for this phone. Maintenance. After all the settings saved, you need to reboot the phone to make it effective. This is the config. You can save the configuration and then up the configuration file to other phones, and also can clear the configuration information here. Upgrades for the firmware and admin settings. This is the defaulted username and password. You can change it and then confirm it. Device monitor. This is for the self-checking function. This phone no use. Capture. This is the defaulted settings, and then you can input the IP address of this phone and the server source port. And then start. After start, you can make the calls, then download the file. Normally, for our engineer checking what's the issue. Debug. Also, normally for the engineer to chase this phone. Then you can log out here. After restart the phone, you need to wait for about 30 seconds. Then refresh this page. It will start the login page.